Hey everyone, welcome to Hashcash. So the problems that we're trying to solve is for both customers as well as for brands. For the customers, there's never been a proper way to see all your finance in one place. All the existing PFM apps have been relying on SMS data to get all your financial information, and that is not as reliable as the account aggregator. Then the customers are not being given the benefit they deserve. All our banks, all our financial institutions are having our data since day one, but they haven't used any of that data in any positive way for the customers. This is India, and Indians die for offers. They want discounts in everything they buy. So it's high time to reward them for their daily transactions. Also, an average user easily makes more regular transaction with brands than a transaction with the financial intermediary, like issuing a loan or buying an insurance policy. So it's time to reward them for every small transaction they make. Then coming on to the brand side, brands have been using this ineffective and inefficient way of advertisement and distribution of offers since a long time now. They have been relying on SMSs and emailing offers to all the customers, which no one actually reads. This proves to be highly ineffective, and also most of the times these offers are not even that attractive for an average consumer. Till date, no brand has been able to collect relevant insights about their customers, like how many loyal customers do they have, how many people might be interested in their products, and who should they micro target by giving them some offers. And we believe that these insights can prove to be highly valuable for a brand's market and for their sales. So, using our application Hashcash, we're trying to solve all these four problems. When a person registers with Hashcash, he gives us consent for 1 year of his financial data. And for the purpose of development of this application, we have used OneMoney API Sandbox. Also, the transactions have been generated by us only, and these are not real transactions. So, this is the dashboard for Hashcash. As you can see, the person can view all his aspects of his finance in one page. He can view this month's income, this month's expense, average daily spends. Then he can view his accounts and cards, all the balances he has in his saving accounts and his wallets, all the details about his cards which are relevant to him. Then he can view all his reminders which have been sorted according to the urgency of the date. Like when does he has to pay the insurance bill, when does he has to pay the phone bill, when does he has to pay the rent, everything. Then he can view his transaction and trends if he wants to. They have been made easier to understand using pie charts and bar graphs. He can view his transactions. He can view all his category-wise spendings, and all the spendings is made in specific brands. Then a person can view all his investments, all his FDs, all his RDs, and mutual funds. Then he can also view his insurance policies and EMIs, basically all the details required, such as interest rate and when do they expire and everything important. Also, it is according to the comfort of the person. He can either scroll through the entire dashboard if he likes to, or he can simply use the menu bar to navigate to different components. So that is all for the dashboard. Now it's time to reward the person. So the brands page. So brands page rewards a person in two different ways. First being the loyalty towards a brand. So as you can see, this person is loyal to a brand called PVR Cinemas. This is because he's very often visiting the cinema and has been spending a lot. And also he has been only watching movies through the cinemas of PVR. So he definitely deserves to be awarded. So PVR can give him a very simple offer like a free ticket and a large popcorn Pepsi combo for his next movie and retain his customer and also attract new customers by giving them some pretty cool offers. Second way the branch page rewards is through the interests of a customer. Our machine learning model that we have developed can easily predict the interests of a person based on the transaction he has made in the past. So as you can see, our model has recommended this person a brand called Fitbit. This is because the person has been regularly eating at Eat Fit and has a gym membership as well. So this might show that the person is into fitness, and suggesting him a fitness brand might be really suitable for him as well as for the company. So this way, Fitbit can give a very simple offer like a free pair of stylish straps with any fitness band, and in this way they can grab a new customer. Also, this person might be regular at eating dinners outside, so recommending him a dessert shop like Polar Bear and an offer like free scoop of ice cream of any flavor of his choice can be really exciting for this person. And in this way, Polar Bear can grab a new customer as well. So other than the offers, the brands page also show the trends for the person, like how much is he spending into a single brand, what are his top spends, and what are his favorite brands. Like the person has spent around 90,000 Nike Planet, so this shows that he's an Apple fan. Also, he's going frequently to the Amul snack shop, so this shows his favorite brand is also Amul. Development of the brands page, we have brought both the customers and the brands to one common platform where brands can share some new deals with the customers and attract them towards their brand. Also, award the customers for their loyalty. And now the brands do not have to rely on emails and SMS for sharing their offers. This is a more suitable platform where they can grab some new customers easily. So for the future scope of our application, we have designed a simple mock-up for the brand page that the brands can view at their site. From this page, they can get every possible insight about their customers, the number of loyal customers, the number of coupons availed, their regular customers, the number of irregular customers. And these insights can be used by the companies, the brands, to expand their market basically and to design their offers according to the trends.